everyone, welcome back to Blueprint DIY. Angelina here. Happy New Year. I know I've been gone for a month. I took a little break, a hiatus from making videos so that I can concentrate on some other things, and I'm going to give you guys a little rundown of everything and behind the scenes footage because I did record some and take a lot of photos of what we did for the holidays as well as what we've been doing since the holidays. But I wanted to let you guys know that I am back and I have a bunch of DIY projects up on deck, and I wanted to thank you guys for everyone that checked on me and just to see how we were doing. All your letting me know that you're praying for us continually. I appreciate it. We run on prayers like most people run on coffee. We appreciate it so much. And so I just wanted to give you guys a behind the scenes of what's been going on. New videos coming up. I have a new space which I'm going to give you guys a little tour of towards the end of the video, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you guys missed was I went to a 3-story thrift store in Chicago. It's the Salvation Army on Grand Street, and I caught the Metro, then got on the L. I haven't done that since college, so it was really nice to do it. It was really cold that day, but I had a blast and I got a lot of stuff. I actually showed you guys a lot of that stuff during the last thrift haul that I did right before Christmas, but I wanted to give you guys a little footage of me shopping. I had so much fun and they had some really good stuff, so I was excited to go there. This is why I moved away from the city. It's so cold. So cold and it's raining, but I made it here. Some white tags. I am soaked. Okay, so next up, me and my sisters and my cousin went to a pop-up shop, and that was so much fun. As a matter of fact, the vendor that makes the shirt that I have on was there. It's about 5 or 6 vendors, and it was so much fun. I saw so much stuff that I wanted. The only thing, my cousin gave me this shirt, but the only thing that I ended up buying was a tinsel pleated skirt, and I've been looking. As a matter of fact, I was on my phone looking for that skirt on the way to the pop-up shop, so I was so excited to find it there at the pop-up shop. So I was really happy to get that. Like I said, there was a lot of stuff that I wanted to get, but I got what I really wanted, so I was really happy to go there. Okay, so then for Christmas, my kids opened gift after gift after gift everywhere they went. I am so grateful to everyone who blessed them this year. In contrast to last year was financially very tough, and me and Michael made most of their gifts, but in hindsight I am so grateful that we got that opportunity because the kids still have those gifts that he made them, and they are actually, you know, of course, way more grateful for them this year than they were for last year. But for everyone that gave them gifts this year, I am grateful for that, and they are so grateful. They were so excited to open gifts this year, so we appreciate it.
Mommy!
You happy?
Yes! We got phones? We got phones. We got phones. Yeah. Silly phones. You got a phone. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god! What's this? Oh! Wait! What? Oh! Wait, just
And I did do my sneaky mommy gift this year for Gabrielle. I did not record it, the whole process, because I was under the wire trying to get everything together, which is normally what happens during my sneaky mommy gifts. I wanted to record it so much. I didn't actually do a doll this year, but I did accessories for her 18-inch doll. That's what she wanted. So I put together, of course, I can't just go to the store and just buy stuff. I have to do my own. And she really enjoyed it, so that was exciting. And for Christmas this year, the kids actually got to play in the snow, both in Houston and in Chicago. It never snows in Houston, so all of the kids were really excited. They got to get up right before school, and we were so surprised that they didn't close school that day, but they got to get up early and play outside in the snow before school. And then we got to play in snow in Chicago because it snowed for Christmas Eve, so we were so excited. Although by the time we left Chicago, the kids were like tired of snow because it was keeping them from, and it wasn't the snow, it was the cold. It got really frigidly cold, so they couldn't go out and play in the snow like they really wanted to. So I think they've had their fill of snow for this year. And we also, me and my sisters and my cousin and the kids, had a slumber party, and we did face masks and everything like that. So the kids, of course, were super excited to do that. Honestly, I'm being honest, this was my first face mask. I tend to be sensitive on my skin, so I tend not to put anything on my face except for makeup, and that only once in a blue moon, like when I'm on camera. But I did it, and my face still exists, so I'm happy about that. And the kids were super excited, so that was fun. So while I was in Chicago, I always take some time to kind of evaluate things and clear my mind, because when I'm there, I'm not a parent. I tell my kids that I don't exist. I don't exist while I'm there. Go talk to your granny, because she's here. You don't have her all the time. Because we don't live in the same city, so I actually get to take some time to kind of clear my head. And I don't know if you guys do this, but I play mind games with myself. So like if I'm at home in Chicago at my parents' house, I'll watch like a couple episodes of Hoarders, and it makes me want to clean my house out so much. So by the time we got back, I was charged up, ready to clean out and clear out. And so that's how I got this space. This is actually the space that my daughter's gigantic dollhouse used to be in. So I got this space. So you guys already know I use the dining room, which is right here. Behind that curtain, I use the dining room as my sewing room, and so now I have a bonus room, which is my work room or my office. So I have a big nice workspace countertop to work on, and then some wire shelves under here. Okay, so that is it. But first, I wanted to show you guys the really cute footage. My youngest son Charlie got to play his violin for the first time in public, and you can tell, I'll show you guys, that he is a future star of some kind. I don't know, but he is full of personality. So that was exciting to see him play in public for the first time. I hope this year finds you guys well. Please let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see. Like I said, I have some DIY videos going on in my brain that I want to do. I'm really excited about. And definitely, if you are new to this channel and you've never subscribed, definitely subscribe. And if you have subscribed, if you're a recent subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing in the midst of my crazy life and what's going on right now. I am so grateful to have you, and for all of those of you who have stuck around through thick and thin, I love you guys, and I hope everything is going well for you. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.